I've always said, fuck you to anyone that like want to hold somebody else down. I think people that hate on someone else, people that tend to hate, are really just upset with what's going on in their life, so they want to hold you down. So you don't. This is your world. Don't let them hold you back, don't let them put you down. Just fucking fish out of game, take a look around. Cause I don't really get it, kinda like they had to hate. They buzzing by the dozens cause they tend to exaggerate. Fabricate, no it's not a sweatshop. Henderson the icon, I'm headed for your desktop. I'm labeled as a motherfucker, something like your step pop. And I got that shit that probably gonna make them check stop. Because you know I make them bounce. Fighting with these calculators, then they hit them where it counts. Round into the day, the money coming copious amounts. I'm going pound for pound, you ain't even near an ounce. Not in my right mind, but this is the right time. I'm dying for the words I speak, yeah, these are my lifelines. Henderson won't quit, that's exactly what you know before. Won't go without a fight like an episode of Jersey Shore. Living for the reason, the breezes straight through the season. Committing treason, the rappers that is only breaking even. And now I'm focused, yeah, I can see you nervous. I'm trying to stick around the president, Secret Service. No, I don't do it for the fame. I just wanna be comfortable, my girl can say the same. Treat her like Lil Wayne, put some money to her name. So I'm coming for your neck, I'm like a motherfucking chain. Maintain, yeah, be the best I can be. And I ain't got a bag of baby, no there is no plan B. And I ain't got time for the blind who just can't see any kids trying to act like man. I should call them Manny. I can't go back, they know that. Every single bit of all, every single rap, every single person that play my shit, just know one thing, I got your back. And like this what you make it. If they don't wanna give it, then you take it. Cause this is your world. That's why I would die for Team Happy. I mean, like, they don't let limitations hold them back. You know what I mean? And it's not even a bunch of followers, it's a bunch of leaders. I'm just trying to fucking, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm trying to like sponsor you, the new generation's mind. You know, I don't even care if they following me, as long as they leading. That's why I love them.